Weiter mit Life is Strange. Ich wünsche euch mal viel Spaß.
I have a little time before Mr. Jefferson's class, so I can do some wandering.
Can she do
So are you going to the
wandering?
Vortex Club party?
Like I would
Can
miss
she
it. I
do
have the
some
sweetest outfit.
wandering?
Sir?
Wandering.
Hello, Max. Would you like to tell me what you wouldn't yesterday?
No, I mean, I don't have anything to tell you.
More secrets. Now, excuse me, I have a meeting to attend.
Geheimnisse?
These elite assholes throw a lot of big parties. Another chance for Nathan Prescott to dose somebody.
Courtney.
Hey, Courtney. Ciao, Max. No photos, please. I have to come up with a guest list for a Vortex Club soiree. Really? Oh, like you care. I'm not anti-soiree. You seem anti-fashion, though. A Vortex Club party has a strict dress code. Do you even have a dress? Sorry, but nice try. Hey, Courtney. Really? I'm sure the Vortex Club has a dress code. As you can see, I would need your advice on what to wear. Thanks, Max. I didn't think you noticed high fashion. Tell you what, I'll put you down on the guest list, and before the party, I can give you some tips. Cool.
Juhu.
Thanks, Courtney.
Bin
I'll
auf der
send you the party info
Gästeliste.
later. Back to the list.
That snow was so insane.
Seriously. Hello, climate change.
Hello. Hello. It's me.
Hello, Zach.
Sup, Max? It's weird to not see you without your camera.
I'm always taking pictures with my eyes.
I bet. As long as you don't talk to everybody about all that shit with the sext in Victoria.
It's over. Just another Blackwell mini-drama.
You mean stupid shit. Man, I just don't get Victoria. What does she want?
Probably for all of us to talk about her. Like now.
Then let's not. You're pretty smart, Max. See you at the game Friday.
Haha. I'm really
Blackwell
smart.
sure takes its swimming seriously. But otters are cute. Go otters.
Uh-oh. You guys? Huh? Got this? Hey,
Excuse
David.
me, Mr. Madsen?
I know things got a little heated yesterday in Chloe's room. Was that really your reefer?
Yes, it was. You know that marijuana is almost legal in Oregon. I can get it at Blackwell. Are you gonna bust me now, Mr. Madsen?
Even I'm not that much of an asshole. And I am sorry about yesterday. I was wrong, but upset. Cannabis is not a big deal to you, but it has been to Chloe.
You're a combat veteran. She's no threat to you.
If I didn't care about her, I wouldn't care at all. When I was her age, I was out raising a lot more hell. She's better than that. All you kids are. So is Kate Marsh.
What about Kate?
You stepped between us at a pretty bad time. She's another matter entirely.
Kate hasn't done anything wrong.
Max, this isn't just about Kate Marsh. My concern is for the safety of all Blackwell students, including you.
That'll take more than surveillance cameras.
It will take more than Ms. Grant and her petition to find missing students.
Isn't that your responsibility as head of security? Unless you know something about Rachel Amber that nobody else does.
I don't want to fight with you anymore. I don't want to fight with anyone anymore. That's all, Max.
jetzt on. Ja, ich weiß nicht, ob ich dem tauge.
I still have time. I could. Luke is always using the phone as a shield to avoid people.
That reminds me, I have to score some weed from Nathan.
I really hope this jackass will use protection next time. Juliet is laying the smack down on Zachary.
All over, like, so you can't help
Off
me?
this martyr. I'm trying, but you have to understand my position.
Why? You don't understand mine. Nobody does.
Nobody! Buddy.
Excuse me, Max. Can you come over here?
Sure.
You look worried. Is everything okay?
Just between you and me, I'm worried about Kate Marsh.
That's no secret. Word on the street is that you and Kate had a little confrontation with our security chief yesterday.
Oh.
I stepped in
Was das
between
schon
David
die
Madsen
Runde?
barking all up in Kate's face about something. She doesn't deserve that.
Of course not. Mr. Madsen isn't the most gentle soul. Do you have proof he instigated the situation?
My word isn't good enough? The one time I choose not to take a picture.
Always take the shot. My #1 rule of photography. And Max, I promise this matter is being discussed by the faculty.
Oh.
I assume you know about this viral video?
Kate is freaked out by all of this. She can't do homework while she's being tormented on a daily basis.
What if Kate brought this on herself? She means well, but maybe she doth protest too much. She seems like she's holding back the truth. Have you talked to her?
Yes, I talked to her on the phone today. She needs friends and support now. I just don't want Kate Marsh to become the next Rachel Amber.
Rachel Amber? What does she have to do with Kate?
With all her missing persons posters around, it's hard not to think of her.
Rachel was nothing like Kate. And Principal Wells said you had something on your mind you wouldn't tell him. You care to share?
Not right now. I'll tell you everything as soon as I figure it out.
I'd like to believe that, Max. It just seems like there's a lot of drama around you this week.
Listen, should I...
Excuse me, Max. Hello?
Pisser.
Yes? Hold on. I have to take this, so just go into class and I'll be there soon.
Ach so. Okay. Ja, aber... Weiß ich nicht. Ein Typ? Warte, auf dem WC war, glaube ich. So, kann ich gar nicht. Oh, kann ich hier gar nicht auf das. Ja. Mrs.
Hi, Miss Grant.
Funny, I was just thinking about you, Max. Thanks again for taking a stand against camera surveillance here. Every signature counts.
I'm just thinking about all the autumn photos I want to take.
Oh, this is my favorite time of year. I do love the season change. This whole campus is a visual delight. I know Mr. Jefferson loves to shoot around here.
You must like photography.
I do, but I'm certainly no artist. I'm all about the science. You can't debate numbers. I have to say, it's not quite autumn enough yet.
What about that snow yesterday? What's your scientific explanation?
Our climate is moving beyond explanation. Of course, some of the tribes here might see it different.
Oder einfache
How's
Antwort.
your campaign going?
You signed the petition, now it's your campaign too. Thanks for stepping up. More people would rather send a text than sign a petition. That's how they keep us all distracted. Nobody will notice cameras on every square foot.
I know. I really hope you keep those cameras from taking over Blackwell.
Max, with students like you, we sure will.
I'm sorry,
Wow.
Miss Grant, but I have to get going.
Go on, Max. We'll talk again. Real soon.
Okay.
A periodic table. Wish I knew what periodic means. Da Vinci was a boss. I bet if I touch the glass, all these creepy sea critters will pop up.
Die gruselige
Or nothing will happen at all.
Think, big brain, think.
Nothing.
This can't be that hard.
True.
Howdy, Brooke.
Hi, Max. Making your daily rounds?
How was your drone?
Miss Grant busted me flying it over the parking lot. She's all jacked up about surveillance bullshit. Like I was spying on Warren's new car.
You already planted a GPS on him?
I borrowed the one he has on you.
I hate to hit and run, but...
Don't let me get in your way. So long.
Warren.
Bring me the brain, Igor. Bring me the brain, Igor. Hey, Warren. Are you okay? You look
Igor.
thoughtful yet confused.
Maxwell Silver Hammer. Perfect timing. I need help with this chemical experiment.
Asking me for help means you're screwed.
Have to add either a bit of potassium or sodium. It's up to you to decide, Dr. Max.
I'm not sure
Ja.
why you're letting me decide your fate, but
Ich würde eigentlich sagen, gar
potassium.
von beiden.
Potassium it shall be. If this works, you get a free hug.
Eine gratis Umarmung?
Weird
Way.
science.
Okay. War wohl nix.
Hey, Warren.
Maxwell's
Asking...
have to add either...
I have a vision. Go... Diem.
Godium? That's the worst pun I've ever heard. Yet Max has spoken. Sodium it is.
Ah,
Damn. Zip. Nothing. Nada.
war alles? Ach so, nada.
Hey, Warren. I actually think you should use a lot of potassium. I mean, a shitload.
See? Look at that smile. You're going to become a scientist yet. Let's do this thing. She blinded me with science. Yes! That was a blast! But let's keep it a professional secret. Cool?
Irgendwie. Oh, muss ich das Foto? Irgendwie. Nee, bis jetzt.
Hey, Warren.
Heck,
Asking me for...
have daddy.
I...
She blinded me with science. Yes! That was a blast! But let's keep it a professional secret. Cool?
Ich schwöre, hier kann man doch das Foto.
I don't want to laugh, but he looks so hilarious. Bring me the brain, Igor.
Hä? Warum?
Bring me the brain, Igor.
Ich will ein Foto schießen. Aber was muss ich machen?
I wish I could bring a mini Warren with me to my science exams. A periodic table. Wish I knew what periodic means. Da Vinci was a boss.
Vielleicht finde ich ja jemanden.
Again we meet, Brooke.
This is true, Max.
I'm helping Warren with his latest experiment.
Ach so.
Oh, I guess he needed a neophyte assistant so he wouldn't be threatened. But you came to his rescue anyway.
Apparently it's my nature.
Yet Warren ignores the experts right in front of him. Not that he would ask me for help anyway.
Again we meet.
Oh,
This is true.
unverständlich.
I need to know if you can help me with a potassium experiment.
No can do, Max. I'm all about robotics, not chemistry. Give me a drone over a beaker.
I hate to hit and run, but
Don't let me...
Okay. Schade.
This... Nope.
Ah, okay.
again we meet.
Th-
I need to know.
Nope.
Ah, okay.
I'm
Macht nicht anders.
not me. Warren doesn't need my help.
The boy knows things.
I hate to.
Don't...
Hi again, Miss Grant.
Right back at you, Max.
Miss Grant, can I ask you a possibly dumb science question?
You know my stock teacher answer. There are no dumb questions. Ask away.
Would you add potassium or sodium to a chemical mix for this week's experiment?
Neither. Unless you want a face full of powder. I would add chlorine.
Ah,
I'm sorry, Miss Grant.
Uwe.
Go on, Max.
Okay.
Hey, Warren.
Heck,
Ask.
Gut zu
Half
wissen,
Daddy.
ne?
Wrong, Warren. You need to add chlorine, not potassium or sodium.
chlorine? I didn't think of that. Can't argue with a confident scientist. Let's try it.
Fluor.
Eureka! She's got it.
No, you got it.
Don't be so modest, Dr. Caulfield.
Ein Foto. jetzt fällt mir nur noch ein.
That was fun helping Warren. He's pretty cute when he's in full-on geek mode.
Check out the big brain on Max. You might be the next Heisenberg of Blackwell.
Natürlich. So.
I have to finish this lab, Max. Sorry.
Jo, dann kann ich.
Oh, I know. That makes sense. Huh? Seriously, I have to hang up now. Let's talk about this later. We'll talk later, okay? I have to go. Because I can't have this conversation with you right now, okay? Would you please just hang up the phone? Okay. Huh?
Ja, komm. Pack drauf. Gehen wir weiter.
Stella is smart to stay out of all the drama.
Stella!
I guess I'm out of time to turn in a photo for the contest. Irony.
How do I look, Taylor? You look like
Even in pictures, the forest around here always looks mysterious.
Mysterio.
Whoa, Mr. Jefferson is not messing around with that monster. He probably paid 20 grand for that camera.
Ah, hier
I bet he
Foto,
gets pristine
oder?
digital images.
Yes.
But I still dig my little instant camera.
Aber warum sollte das denn gut sein?
Not now, Max. I'm contemplating shit.
What's up, Daniel?
Waiting to draw Dana after Hayden gets his paparazzi on. I hope you liked the sketch I did of you yesterday.
Love. And it's my new avatar.
Excellent. I got tons of likes on FB. Ah, made you blush.
Shut up.
Someday your portrait may hang in the Daniel de Costa wing of the Louvre. We'll talk about it later.
Van de Louvre.
That's a great sketch of Dana. Daniel is the real deal.
Hayden.
I'm kind of doing something now, Max.
No time to talk, Max. Posing in progress. Do you think Max will be pissed we're sitting at her desk?
Oh, I'm sure she'll report us to the principal. Like I give a flying fuck.
Or she'll run to Mr. Jefferson, like he gives a shit.
Like anybody does. Max is such a little...
Shh, I think she can hear us.
Yeah, I can hear you.
So cool to see Mr. Jefferson's actual published pictures.
No time to talk, Max. Art in progress.
Ja, Pissers.
Here comes the mysterious Max, disguised as a pixie hipster.
Like all the other precious twee artists here.
You really nailed me.
Meow! Bring out the claws. I love seeing chicks fight.
Right. Can I sit at my table now?
Max thought we were going to be buds. Fucking ha ha.
Assholes.
Warum habe ich kein Foto gemacht? Okay. Ah, ist doch kacke. Warum? Okay.
Okay,
Daniel.
why is David taking photos of Kate?
David.
Now this is so wrong and weird.
Uh-oh. Warren?
What up, Max?
Hey, Warren.
I saw Kate earlier and her eyes were puffy from crying.
Kate has a lot on her plate.
I didn't know what to say and she didn't tell me anything.
Okay, I know you love me, but if you're not in this class, beat it. Everybody else, please sit
Maybe
down.
I'll see
We have
you
a lot
later.
to cover today, and so little time as usual. I see all the usual suspects here. Anybody seen Kate Marsh?
I think everybody has seen Kate Marsh by now.
I guess Kate will miss class now.
Sounds like you're giggling about a video
I'm
gone
worried
viral.
about her. It's cool that Mr. Jefferson published his own little book of photo
Maybe it
tips.
involves a student or a friend. I wonder how it would feel to have false images of yourself shot out all over the world for people to judge. Usually, people need something to judge, so they never take a good look at themselves.
No.
Selves. Friend? I wonder how it would feel to have false images of yourself shot out all over the world for people to judge. Usually, people need something to judge, so they never take a good look. Speaking of participation, there are a few souls here who have yet to enter a photo in the contest. Like Max Caulfield, for example. Who I know can't wait to enter, right? I'm sure you read the syllabus like it was a Harry Potter book, so you must know today we're studying chiaroscuro. That beautiful word about the contrast between light and dark. The shadow play that gives photography such visual power. It's basic yin and yang. Black and white images are effective precisely because of their contrasts. Although we don't technically see in months.
Yo! Some crazy shit is going down in the girls' dorm!
Zachary, do not come into my class like that ever again.
Okay.
Listen, everybody remain seated.
Kate, no.
Dismissed.
Is this for real?
It flipped out!
I didn't think she was that messed up.
Los, lauf.
Who is that up
Auf
there?
Max.
Kate! No! Oh God. I have to do something to help her.
Oh no. Is that Kate?
Uh-oh.
Not again. Not now. I have to try something. I won't be able to rewind again and again.
Oh. Kann nichts dagegen machen.
Keep going, Max. You can do it.
Ich denke nicht. Lauf, David. Hello.
Yes.
Und jetzt BAM! Ohnmacht.
What are you doing here, Max? Stop! Don't come near me.
Not now. It won't work. I don't have any power. Now I have to do this by myself.
Seriously, don't
Uh-oh.
come near me. I will jump.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm right here.
Falle zu.
Kate.
Zugkraft.
Please.
Oh, Max, I know you want to help me. I love that you stepped up to David, but it doesn't matter now. Nothing matters.
Okay, ich komme gleich wieder. Muss kurz auf Toilette. da bin ich wieder zurück.
You matter, and not just to me.
I do want to believe that.
Kate, your life is still yours, and we can get through this together. Let me help, like I helped by erasing all that crap people wrote on your room slate.
I'm glad to hear you worry about me. That makes me feel better.
Of course I worry. You're my friend, Kate.
I did feel better talking to you on the phone. I
Komm
always
schon,
feel like
ich
you
schaffe
really
das.
listen.
Kate, please trust me. Come stand by me, okay? I can help you now. I know I can. This morning I erased the web link to the video. It was written on the shower room mirror.
That's your story now. How can I trust you? What about this morning when I needed help? You told me to do
Oh.
nothing.
Oh, fuck.
Kate, I'm gathering proof that Nathan Prescott drugged you. And you're not the only victim. So you have to help me take Nathan down.
Nathan Prescott? That makes sense. He's a scumbag. You have proof now?
Soon,
Fuck.
then straight to the police. Think of it like we're cleansing Blackwell.
You do have my back, Max. That's the first time I've felt hopeful in a week.
Good. We all need to have each other's backs. So, I want you to come with me now. Please. You don't have to do this.
Max, I'm in a nightmare and I can't wake up. Unless I put myself to sleep.
Uh-oh.
Then everybody at Blackwell can post pics of my body. I'm already on the internet forever. No wonder they call it a web. Nothing can ever get out. Like my video. I wish I could go back in time and erase everything.
Uh-oh.
Kate, this is our chance to beat the bullies. That's the only way we can win against them.
Can we really, Max? I don't believe in miracles anymore either.
Now I do. You're part of the reason why. If you come down with me, I can tell you more.
You're such a good person, Max. Even if you're full of crap. But I'll come with you. You're my friend.
Yes.
Forever.
Yes.
Can we hug on it?
Ooh.
No! Nobody cares about me! Nobody!
Oh. Hat sie die Brüder? Wo ist sie? Ja, das ist alles. Fuck. Ja. Hm.
Kate, I saw that card from your father. You can count on him. He clearly loves you
Ah ja,
without
das stimmt.
question.
Ja.
Dad
Ja,
does
das stimmt.
care, even though I hurt him. He's the only one I know who believes in me.
Komm schon. Ich hab das Richtige genommen. Komm. Yes.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
What are you talking about? You saved me from talking in class.
Zum Glück.
Now, I know today was difficult for everybody, but I'm so proud of the way Blackwell pulled together to save a young girl's life. Of course, you're quite the hero for getting Kate to come down, Max.
I didn't do much.
She's modest. Like a real hero.
Yeah, real hero.
As principal of Blackwell Academy, I take my duties seriously. I take the well-being of every student more seriously. What happened today should never happen in a hall of wisdom and knowledge. Mr. Madsen, as our head of security here, those roof doors should always be locked. That's just standard operating procedure. They were not, and that is indeed your responsibility.
Ooh.
Mr. Jefferson, I know you can't be expected to know what your students are going through, but Kate has assisted you in class, so you should have known something was amiss. Mr. Prescott, since you are responsible for the Vortex Club parties, and since Miss Marsh did attend your last party, you'll have to answer some more questions.
Und ich?
Miss Caulfield, why exactly were you on the route with Kate Marsh? Did she tell you her plan? Or anything at all? Please, tell us everything.
All I know is that Kate was at a party and Nathan dosed her. She got wasted and kissed some boys on a viral video without a clue.
I dosed her? Without a clue. Have you seen the video? Whatever. Kate was loaded and
You're a
playing
liar.
the field.
You told Kate you took her to the emergency room.
I said I was going to take her to the ER. She sobered up eventually.
Bullshit. Something happened to her and you know it. How about we talk about you waving a gun in the girls'
Hey,
bathroom?
that's total slander. I could sue you and this school so fast. I already have a personal lawyer.
Wait, Max. You told me that nothing happened yesterday. Are you just making things up? How can I trust you?
You can't. She's smoking and selling dope, not saving lives.
No, I'm not. And that has nothing to do with Kate Marsh.
I'll have to investigate to see if this accusation is true. Therefore, Max, I'm obliged to contact your parents and suspend you for a few days.
Excuse me. I think Max and Nathan need a break before we grill them further. A friend and student just tried to kill herself. They don't need this forum right now.
Yes, I'm kind of devastated right now. I'd like to be with my family.
All right, Miss Caulfield, please sign here to confirm what you've told us. I'll continue this investigation from there.
My head is killing me. But I think I can use my power again.
Fuck. Warte.
Mr. Madsen was bullying Kate.
Oh, grow up.
Excuse me, I was there. I saw you getting in her face.
You have no idea what you saw. Kate Marsh was involved with a bad crowd. I was trying to find out who.
Kate had a double life. I was super shocked when I found out.
No, you were part of the crowd. And like I said, I personally saw David physically harass Kate Marsh.
You lying little... Shh. Are you gonna take this junkie's word over your security officer? I know she smokes and deals marijuana.
That has nothing to do with Kate.
Max, I'm afraid this won't be solved here without proof and a thorough investigation. Now, if you have anything else to say...
Ach so. Ja.
Excuse me.
Das ist logisch.
I saw Mr. Jefferson talking to Kate right before our class. Then she ran off crying.
Mark, I do know that Miss Marsh has assisted you on class events.
Kate, Miss Marsh... has been very withdrawn lately. I assume this awful video was the cause. I hated seeing the students laugh at her. She was upset Miss Caulfield didn't return her calls. She felt rejected by the school.
She shouldn't have asked to be on video macking with some dudes.
You ass! She didn't ask for any of this.
No, on the contrary. Max was right to bring this up. Now, I wanted to help, but I guess I was too late.
Well, now this is problematic.
Das
The
ist eigentlich schon
publicity
die
is
beste.
rising, and perhaps you shouldn't represent Blackwell at the Everyday Heroes contest in San Francisco.
Are you serious?
I am. We don't need any negative press about that event.
Oh,
And we need to involve the Academy in possible disciplinarian measures for you.
I understand. There are bigger things at stake than me. The life of a young girl, for one. Maybe you should investigate other staff members. Max told me she knew things about Mr. Madsen.
Let Max speak for herself. Everything we talked about here will be looked into. All right, Miss Caulfield, please sign.
okay. Warum kann ich da nicht mehrere Sachen auslösen?
You told me that nothing happened yesterday. Are you just making things up? How can I trust you?
You can't.
Ja, ich lasse es. Ich lebe mit dieser Anschauung.
Well, I think we know less now than when we started. We'll be assisting the police with further inquiries. I know this has been a stressful day. I wish I had the power to change it all for the better. So thank you for coming in.
Der Rektor hat doch Schiss vor. Nur weil.
I couldn't even believe it was happening. It was literally slow motion as I grabbed her hand. And then I could feel her grabbing mine.
Max, that was the greatest thing I've ever seen. Ever! You reached out, she reached out, hugs, tears, applause. Like a superhero.
Not quite. Look at me. I'm a mess.
You're glowing. Seriously, a human halo. I'm pretty sure you earned your wings today.
I'm still worried about Kate. She did try to kill herself. All over a video.
Viral is the right word. Like a disease.
So you watched it?
Just 1.5 times.
Warren, I don't mean to sound weird, but there's something ominous going on at Blackwell.
Today proves that.
And I'm working on proof that Kate Marsh is connected to Rachel Amber. Somehow. Along with Nathan and Mr. Madsen.
I'm not a big conspiracy guy, but I wouldn't doubt it. Nathan did scare me yesterday, and Madsen is a straight-up dickhead. So, what do you think is really happening?
What the hell is this? The weather confirms this weird day. Feel that chill.
Max, there was no eclipse scheduled today.
Sonnenfinsternis?
I would know. I would.
Oh,
I believe you, Warren. I'll believe anything this week.
okay. Nee, ich glaube eigentlich, der Polizist, der ist gar nicht. Die beiden sind scheiße. Der Direktor Neffen. Er hat einfach Schiss, der Direktor. Ich würde sagen, Neffen ist das Schlimmste. Jetzt ist er im Spital oder in der Klapse. Und das ist Blue. Wieder mal ein Rauch. So, auf geht's in Kapitel 3. Episode 3, besser gesagt. Ich werde dann auch mal noch schnell einen neuen Stream-Start warten. Der gute Deutsch. Jetzt? Oh oh. David? Okay. So, dann werde ich schnell den neuen